The PTC Creo collaboration extensions for CATIA, Siemens NX, and SOLIDWORKS, part of Unite Technology, provide design teams with breakthrough capabilities to improve collaboration in multi-CAD environments. The ability to efficiently collaborate early and often with design partners across CAD formats enables teams to reduce redundant work, allowing them to improve product quality, desirability, and on-time delivery. The primary barrier to collaborating early and often has always been the amount of work required to integrate new data into designs, forcing teams to leave it until late in the development process. Unite Technology provides users with breakthrough capabilities to improve productivity in multi-CAD environments, including the ability to open or import non-PTC Creo data directly in PTC Creo and incorporate them into designs. And with the PTC Creo collaboration extensions, as changes are made to this non-PTC Creo data, designers can quickly and easily integrate these updates to both data that has been converted or simply opened, while protecting any design intent that has already been established. In this case, when the assembly is regenerated with an updated motor, the sheet metal bracket automatically adjusts to the new location of the pins, and the mounting blocks adapt to match the surface contour of the new motor. Additionally, designers can exchange PTC Creo models in CATIA, Siemens NX, and SOLIDWORKS formats with their design partners. The PTC Creo collaboration extensions for CATIA, Siemens NX, and SOLIDWORKS provide best-in-class multi-CAD collaboration capabilities. Teams can now collaborate early and often in the product development process, with the confidence that they will not need to redo work as designs change. And as a result, organizations can enable higher levels of concurrent engineering, promote the reuse and sharing of data, and better support on-time product delivery.